It is me, Dr. Donna. Welcome to today's personal accountability. Today's topic, parking lot. What is the first thought that enters into your amazing brain when you hear parking lot? Here is the definition that I will be using today. A parking lot is a mental holding space. It's where ideas, distractions, and unfinished thoughts are safely set aside. And this creates room for focus and clarity to move forward. It's not a place of abandonment, but it is a place of intentional pause. And what this does is it allows you, as a real leader, to return, review, and act when the time is right. I'll give you some examples to clarify. I was supposed to take a gap year in 2020. And then COVID happened. And then my daughter started a business. And so, what I am now focused on is the idea of making half of 2026 a gap year into 2027, go do some traveling and do some things that I was not able to do in 2020. So, that's an idea that's out there waiting. Now, from a distraction perspective, as we know, I'm doing no screen time, no music or anything. And so Amy and Lala will continuously try to distract me with things in the moment of me working on something else. So I eliminate those distractions because that's one of the 74 principles of real leadership. And then when I have time in my default mode network, I've put that distraction there to see how I'm actually going to handle it. So is it a real threat that they've brought to my attention, or is it a false positive? If it's a false positive, I discard it. If it's actually something that I need to look at and assess, then I will address it at that time. And then unfinished thoughts. There are a lot of things that I'm thinking about behind the scenes as I work towards helping adults learn how to use their brain. And so those thoughts are there. And when I have time to come back, I finish those thoughts. Am I going to publish a blog every month, every week? What am I going to do about certain postings? What information should go out? Do I simplify things? So all of those thoughts are there in the parking lot. And when I have mental space to come back and address them, I do. So the parking lot is not a place of abandonment. It's actually intentional pauses that when you are able to go back and address the ideas, eliminate the distractions, or process unfinished thoughts, you sit there in the mental parking lot and you address those. Today will be a great day to just sit and think about what I can put in the parking lot, what just needs to be completely discarded, and what unfinished thoughts you need to place there so that you can just have focus and clarity and revisit the parking lot when it makes sense for you.